आज हम दुबई अथॉरिटी या सऊदी लाइसेंसिंग एग्ज़ाम का पार्ट 3 डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आए शुरुआत करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 47, विच ऑफ फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट करेक्ट? राइट आंसर, लाइफ स्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशन शुड नॉट बी इन्फोर्स्ड इफ़ एन ओरल एजेंट टू बी स्टार्टेड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 48, in CHF management of following is not correct. Right answer, spironolactone should be avoided because of great risk of hyperkalemia. Question number 49, which of following is not a primary literature? Right answer, applied therapeutic and clinical use of drug. Question number 50, reference to check compatibility of drug in parental preparations. Right answer, B and C. Handbook on injectable and micromedics. Question number 51, when CNS depression is prescribed, which of following is not taken to same time? Right answer, dimenhydramine. Question number 52, a 4 milligram dose of lorazepam administered to adult act as right answer, hypnotic. Question number 53, the drug of choice to control pain which acute myocardial infarction? Right answer, morphine. Question number 54, what is major contraindication of use of OTC symptomatic drugs? Right answer, hypertension. Question number 55, category C in FDA for drug use in pregnancy. Right answer, either animal studies have relevant adverse effect to fetus and more control human studies, or human studies and women studies not available. Question number 56, what advice should be given to a patient prescribed rifampicin? Right answer, the medication may cause discoloration of urine. Question number 57, correct method of parental administration of potassium is right answer. Right answer is slow IV infusion. Question number 58, which route of administration should be provided the most rapid onset of action response to morphine? Right answer, intravenous, C. Question number 59, the long term administration of thiazide diuretic required. Question number right answer, potassium. Question number 61, when consideration drug therapy for hypertension, what is true? Right answer, beta blocker should be avoided. Question number 62, which of following is not used in theophylline toxicity management? Right answer, methylphenidate to reduce the excessive sedation. Question number 63, regarding use of ACE inhibitor. Right answer, C. Question number 64, regarding treatment of digoxin toxicity. Right answer is B. Question number 65, the antimalarial to avoided G6D deficiency. Right answer is Pramicon. Question number 68, the following is not characteristic of solution. Right answer is D. Role of carbidopa in treatment of Parkinson. Right answer is C. Question number 70, role of beta blocker in angina. Then question number 71, the drug absorbed through GIT tract to liver excreted is called first pass effect. All are following anti-inflammatory analgesic effect except opioid analgesics. Question number 73, which are following need to IV infusion suspension? Right answer is suspension. Question number 74, azelaic acid is right answer is acne. Which hormone are secreted for posterior pituitary gland? Right answer is digoxin. Question number 76, to increase the duration of lidocaine anesthesia. Right answer is epinephrine. The drug absorption depend upon, right answer is dosage form. Monitoring for dose in elderly patient. Right answer is A and B. Question number 79, which of following cause metallic taste? Right answer is captopril. Question number 80, which of following is characteristic for erythropoid? Right answer is C, can be increase GI motility. अगर आपको मेरी नेक्स्ट पार्ट नंबर 4 देखना चाहते हैं तो मेरे वीडियो